What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I want to come back with another video. Hey man, look, yo, I'm coming back with a very special video, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the whole entire video. I'm about to really put y'all on game on how to save your locks. I'm about to save you some money. I'm about to save your locks. I'm about to save your life. All right, so make sure y'all stay tuned for the whole video. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications right now before the video even gets started, man. This video about to be fire, all right? So look, I'm about to put y'all on game right quick, right? So my first tip is no edit mal in the building. First off, no edit mal in the building. You already know what's going on. My first tip is make sure you get you a 2-strand twist, or I would say any type of style, but I'm gonna say a 2-strand twist because I always like rocking the 2-strand twist. It always makes my locks like last longer. And I'm gonna show y'all my hair before the video ends, but that's gonna be like, you know what I'm saying, a little later on in the video. But yeah, so make sure you get you a style. When you get your retwist, make sure you get you a style. It should cost you like a little extra 20, 30, 40. Depending on what style you get. I know the 2-strand twist usually costs me around $20 more. But yo, look, luckily my girl about to learn how to retwist and twist and look, style hair and this and that and the third. I'm about to be her guinea pig, you feel me? Because yo, these people ain't playing with these retwists, you hear me? Especially in the A. You dig what I'm talking about? So that's my first tip, man. So when you go to your loctician, when you go get your retwist, make sure you get a 2-strand twist, okay? Get a 2-strand twist, get a style to make them last longer, to make your retwist last longer. And like I said, I'm gonna show y'all my retwist. I think it's been like 2 months, but I'm telling you, it's going to look like it's been like 1 month. If you got locks, you know. All right. My second tip is order you a satin line beanie. And I know, listen. I know I produced them, but this is why I produced them for you guys, all right? I'm going through the lock journey as well. I know a bunch of you are going through the lock journey, and I know most of the struggles. I know it's a lot of beanies out here that's costing $35, $25, whatever their price is, right? It's a lot of beanies out here that have cotton on the outside and cotton on the inside. I used to wear beanies with cotton on the inside. Then I started producing the Up Next satin line beanies. So now I'm rocking the Up Next satin line beanies like each and every day. Each and every video y'all see me rocking it, you know what I'm talking about. So I wouldn't advise anything to you guys that I'm not rocking. You get what I'm talking about? So yeah, I'm about to show you a regular beanie right now. Give me 1 second as I walk through crib. So look, this is a regular beanie, right? I'm not gonna try not to show they what's it called, right? This is a regular beanie, right? Cotton on the outside, cotton on the inside, correct? Bring y'all back to the what's it called? Let me turn these lights off first. God, I hit my camera, hit my baby. Let me turn my lights on first off. I'm gonna save some money, goddamn. At least. So look. So that was the regular beanie, right? So this is the Up Next satin line beanie. Alright, it's gonna definitely protect your hair. It's gonna keep the moisture. It's a natural moisture in your scalp called sebum. The silk inside this satin line beanie. See, a lot of y'all not even put on game with silk. And a lot of y'all, but y'all be wearing bonnets and this and that and third, but you don't even know what you're wearing. You get what I'm saying? When I produced this product, when I came out with this product, I knew what type of time it was on. You get what I'm saying? So like back at I was saying, man, because there's a lot of TikTok comments and things of that nature. And I know they just be talking, you feel me? I know they just be scrolling, talking, whatever. But I just had to, I gotta tell them right quick. So it's a natural oil in your scalp called sebum. Look it up, sebum. Alright, it's a natural oil in your scalp. The silk on the inside of this Up Next satin line beanie, it keeps the moisture, it keeps that natural oil in your scalp. It doesn't, when you wear a regular beanie, it pulls, it creates friction in your hair. So this is what I'm saying. This is going against your retwist. This is going against the whole thing of you getting a retwist. So when you get a retwist and you put a regular beanie on top of your new retwist, it's not gonna work. It's gonna pull, if you got locks, you know what I'm talking about. It's gonna pull your retwist up and your locks are gonna become frizzy, okay? This is the whole reason why I came out with the Up Next satin line beanie, because it's up next. It's a up next level. You get what I'm talking about? Yeah. A lot of people be complaining about the prices. They want yo, this a regular beanie costs $35, $20, bro. This is not a regular beanie, bro. Y'all need to go look this up. And I'm making this long form content not for the people on YouTube. Of course, my fan base on YouTube, they already know what's going on. They already know how I'm rocking. The people on TikTok be going crazy. I know, I be looking at them, you know what I'm saying? I be looking at, I just be laughing, you feel me? I just be laughing. But yeah, make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok and go support me on TikTok, because them folks over there, man, they rock with the kid, but you know how it be when you be the new kid on the block, you feel me? I'm coming from YouTube, I'm going to TikTok, so you know what I'm saying? Y'all know we gotta kick the dough down. But yeah, man, so those are my 2 tips. I wanna keep this video like just short, simple, and sweet for y'all. Those are my 2 tips for y'all. You get what I'm talking about? So, like I promised y'all, man, I'm about to show y'all what I'm talking about. Like I said, it's been like 2 to 3 months, and once you look at this, you're gonna be like, yo, like it looks like only 1 month. I'm telling you, it's a cheat code. I'm putting y'all on game. What they say in Atlanta? I'm putting you down, right? So look, don't mind the haircut. The haircut is gonna tell you like, yo, it's been about 2 months in this motherfucker. But don't mind the haircut, right? So you can see, once I take off the satin line beanie, it's not too much frizz that's in my locks. You can still see my parts. And like I said, it's been like 2 to 3 months. You can still see my parts. If you got locks, you know for a fact, when it becomes 2 to 3 months, you be having an afro right here, be looking thick as hell. And that junk be looking crazy. You know what I'm talking about? Let me go and put my satin line, Up Next satin line beanie. Make sure I go pre-order y'all one, man. Make sure I go pre-order one, y'all, because if y'all don't pre-order them, I don't know how y'all gonna get it. You feel me? Because as soon as they drop, they get sold out. As soon as they in, they get out. You dig what I'm talking about? So make sure y'all go pre-order y'all's. First link in the description. Go do that. Alright? I appreciate y'all for coming through. No edit miles in the building. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all for us later. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, comment any other type of videos that y'all want me to come through with. Y'all know I'm gonna come through with them. Make sure y'all follow me on all socials, including TikTok. All links will be in the description. Catch y'all for us later, bro.